Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Carissa. So today I'm giving my living room a really good clean. There are a couple of places I won't be doing, like the blinds and the skirting boards, but everything else I'm going to give a good clean, including the couch and that entertainment unit, which is disgustingly dusty and dirty. This is a collaboration with two other YouTubers, Love, Laugh, Clean and Katie Anderson. I'm going to insert a clip of their channels now. So both of these ladies have heaps and heaps of cleaning motivation on their channels. So if that's what you're looking for, make sure you go over to their channels after you finish watching my video. Let them know that I sent you. Subscribe for all the cleaning motivation you could need. I'm going to leave a link in my description box to both of these ladies' channels. So let's get on with the cleaning. I'm going to start with my sliding glass door. It's really dirty inside and out, but today I'm just going to do the inside, and I'm going to be using a mixture of vinegar, water and a little bit of dishwashing liquid. I can't use Windex. I hate Windex. Windex just smears. I don't know. And the same with microfiber cloths. I've tried using them on my glass and they smear as well. So if you know the secret to using Windex or microfiber cloths or both, leave it in the comments down below. So I'm just going to give that a quick clean on the inside, and then I'm going to move on to the chair there and the picture above. On the chair, I'm just going to be using a damp wet cloth. I'm going to use that on both the chairs and the couch. I was using Pledge on it, but someone told me, I think it was a gentleman from Harvey Norman or something, said that I should just use a damp wet cloth. Yuck, that is filthy. So that's what I've started doing, and it seems to bring them up okay. I do have the actual cleaner for that fabric, but just takes forever, so I don't use it all the time. So this will do for today, just wiping that down. Then I'm going to move on to the window, and boy oh boy, were the tracks inside that just gross. That's all I can say. They were gross. The window was gross, but the tracks were even worse. So I'm going to do that and then just basically work my way around the room. I'll also be vacuuming at the end. Hope you enjoy this video. I'm just going to play some music now, and yeah, let's get cleaning.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego. Your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes.
So that's it. It's all nice and clean now. I will get to the blinds and the skirting boards a bit later. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe and put on that notification bell, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.